do a preview of our current project, which is the Fidelity Bank mobile app. So as you can see on the screen, it's the landing page, which is just to welcome the user and some keywords or notifications to the user, new or old. Yeah, so the next page, as we can see clearly, is the sign in or login page. Here you have the option to enter your email. Your email is required, then your password. So then you log in, or you have the option to use your fingerprint to make it easy accessible or easier comparing to the login. Yeah. So once you select the option for use fingerprint, you put your finger on the scanning portion of the phone, and then once the scanning is done, it opens your main account. So here on this interface, you see your account balance, your name, and then the most recent transactions you have made. However, if you press the option home, it takes you to the main menu where you have the bigger option to transfer, pay bills, buy airtime, or many of the mobile app services. So you have the option to send or receive money. So in this case, we want to make a little transaction. So we say the option send, and then dial in a few digits, and then press the enter button, and then there it shows you a notification whether transaction successful or transaction failed. And in this case, the transaction was successful. So then the money has been processed, and then you are notified that you should either have a little patience, and then that is addressed for you. Yes. So upon clicking on the picture as seen in the presentation, you are able to access the profile settings. That is the account information of the current user, which is first is username, date of birth, security settings, and a few other settings like change of password, privacy and compliance information, statements and documents, contact customer support, and then help and frequently asked questions, and also the option to log out. So here we would log out, and then we are taken back to the sign in or login page. Yes. Thank you. Okay, so let's go through a few reviews and ratings on the Google Play Store by users concerning the Fidelity mobile banking app. So Jan, can you read a few of the reviews and then we analyze them?
Okay, Prince, thank you very much. This one Google user who is talking about the UI. I say UI of new updates looks like a dashboard for some automobile system. Although I feel like it could be improved somehow. So he's talking about the UI. He's not happy with it.
Okay.
I'm sure this person is coming from the background of UI UX design.
Okay.
And looking at how it was structured, he's not okay with it.
Yeah.
And he's suggesting that something can be done about it in the future. So this is why we've sat down and realized that how the UI is not satisfied with the client. So with our design, I think it will solve this person's problem. Thank you very much. And Twist, there's one thing I want you to talk about. One of the reviews.
Banking app that can show history for our transactions.
So my brother Twist will continue with this one.
A banking app that can show you history of your transactions. Is that one to a banking app? My balance hasn't updated for more than 6 months, yet I receive text of transactions every time. I can't even order e-statements anymore.
Yeah, I think this sounds like a technical problem, and we work with the developers and the team to talk about what the users are feeling about this particular problem.
Yeah.
So we've taken it into account that this problem, and the developers are on it, they are solving this particular problem, and with our design